How to install Flix Vision on Firestick. So to be able to install Flix Vision on Firestick, turn on your Firestick device and then go to the Firestick home. Now go ahead and click on the settings icon from here, select the My Fire TV option, and then to enable the developer option, click on About. If you have already enabled the developer option, you can skip this step. And then click on the Fire TV stick option quickly at least 7 times. Now you will see this message at the bottom saying no need, you're already a developer, so stop clicking then. Now the developer option will appear in the menu, so click on it. Choose apps from unknown sources to turn it on, and then simply click on turn on. Now return to the Firestick home menu by pressing the home icon on the remote and click on find. Now select the search icon, type downloader and press the search. Select the downloader app icon from the list available in the Amazon store and then tap get or download. Wait for a while until the installation process is completed. Now click on open and then select allow to give access to the downloader app. Click on OK here and this is the downloader app interface. Choose the home tab and click on the search bar. And then enter the Flix Vision downloader code 730116 in the search box or enter the URL bit.ly/fsh downloads and click on go. Click on the Flix Vision from the movies and TV shows category. If the app does not start downloading, then clear the downloader app cache and then go ahead and redo this step. Now your file will start downloading. Click on install, tap done, and then select delete, and then select delete again for confirmation. And that is how you can basically install Flix Vision on Firestick.